Ano sabi ng Bible? Examine yourselves. Whether ye be in the faith, prove your own selves. Bago mo tingnan yung iba, tingnan mo muna yung sarili mo. The only person that should tell the other person that he should be doing this if he himself or herself is doing the right thing first. Ayusin mo yung sarili mo. Alam mo, pag pare-parehas natin ine-examine yung sarili natin, pag nagkikita-kita kayo, walang problema. Hindi mo titingnan yung kapwa mo eh. Titingnan mo yung actions na sarili mo. The principle is this: a strong relationship with God flows into how we treat others. Sa church kasi, we are trying to maintain peace. We are trying to maintain order. So never ever escalate. Pag hindi nakakatulong, never open your mouth. Because you cannot be understanding to others if first you are not filled with humility before God. Kapag nasa church ka and you have abilities, you have skills, that is not something that you should tell others, oh, angat ako sa inyo. That's not how it works. The more that you have, the more na dapat ikaw is filled with humility. That's how Christians work. Yan ang sinasabi sa 2 Corinthians 13 verse 5. Binibigyan ng reiteration na tingnan mo yung sarili mo. Hindi mo gagawin yun para sa iba. Ginagawa mo yun para sa sarili mo, para maglingkod ka. That is why, hindi mo yun gagawin for fame. You're not going to do that for power. And you're not doing that in order for you to gain followers. Hindi ka naman social media. You're a person. You're doing that because you're a follower of Christ.